Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So this is a strategy that will make you profitable in little to no time, alright? But to be honest with you guys, it takes a lot of practice, it takes a lot of back testing, and it takes a lot of risk management strategies to actually get profitable with it, alright? Which I'll show you all in this video. So first of all, when you come into the forex industry, your first thoughts are, you know what, I'm gonna get rich, I'm gonna get filthy rich, I'm gonna make money overnight. But that's not the mindset. All right, I want you to focus on the skill and actually learn what I'm about to teach you and actually use this strategy the right way. I can guarantee you that you're gonna make something proper. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So pretty much it's quite simple to use. The two indicators that I have going on here are the volume oscillator and a QQE mod, right? Default settings, and it gets the job done. I'll show you an example just now. So first of all, here's a signal. So for you to get a buy signal, you need to make sure that the QQE mod turns blue, and you need to make sure that your volume oscillator is actually bursting above the little guard thing. See there, it's bursting out of the blue line over there. So as you can see, after it bursts through and we see an uptrend, well, you don't even have to see an uptrend. Wait for the candle to close, and here we'll take a buy. So as soon as it turns green, wait for the blue candle to close here on a QQE mod, and you take a buy. All right, and what I'd recommend is that you target 1 to 5 the risk, and now I think that should be good enough, right? So I'm going to show you another example. So similarly to that, if you get a sell signal, let me just look for one quickly. Let's look for a good sell signal. Here's one right here that's not valid. As you can see, this QQE mod gave us a signal over here to sell, but our volatility oscillator did not break below the line, so we simply did not take that trade. Just following your good risk, your good being disciplined and following your strategy to the T. And I think this one as well. So you can see this is a buy. This is a buy signal. We had a breakout on our QQE, our volatility oscillator, and we simply would have taken a buy somewhere here, and we would have closed somewhere here. All right. So we're gonna go further along, look for more examples. Okay, let me show you guys one last example actually. So that's not a good signal, because even though we had a blue bar here, and we didn't have our volatility oscillator breaking out of the band. So we're gonna look for another one. I think here's a perfect one. As you can see, we had a signal right here, had a buy signal right here. We had our QQE mod turning blue, and we had our volatility oscillator breaking out the band, and this is a perfect buy signal. All right, would have closed our profit somewhere here, and that was a great signal. So I hope this video is helpful. Try it out, test it. Risk management, always follow your strategy, always wait for the right signals, always, and you will always be consistently profitable in the market. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.